There, baby.
Makeup.
Makeup? What do you do with it? Can you show me how you put your makeup on your face? How do you put makeup on your face? Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, that's good. You know how to put makeup on, don't you? Just like you see mommy in the morning, don't you? Oh, very good. You look very pretty. Hey, Isabel, did you like going to the beach yesterday? Did you like going to the beach? The beach, yeah. Who did we see at the beach? The beach?
Debbie.
Debbie? Did we see Debbie at the beach? Ready? You put your right foot in. You put your right foot out. You put your right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.
Turn around? Turn yourself around. That's
Yay.
what it's all about.
Yeah. Yay.